Factor completely. 8k cubed plus 64. Here we have a common factor of 8 that we can factor out. When we do that, we have 8 times the quantity k cubed plus 8. Inside the parentheses, we still have a sum of cubes. We have 8 times the quantity k cubed plus 2 cubed. So we'll use the formula for factoring a sum of cubes. Recall that x cubed plus y cubed is equal to the sum x plus y times the quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. And so we have 8 times the quantity k plus 2 times the quantity k squared minus 2k plus 2 squared, or 4.